Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file U.S. tax returns. First, gather all your essential documents, including W-2 forms from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Next, determine your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Finally, decide if you will take the standard deduction or itemize your deductions to potentially reduce your taxable income. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth filing process. Once your documents are ready, accurately report all income sources, from your regular wages to any investment gains or self-employment earnings. Then, identify and claim all eligible tax credits and deductions, which can significantly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Finally, complete Form 1040, the primary federal income tax form, ensuring all sections are filled out correctly before submission. You have two main options for submitting your return. Filing electronically is generally recommended for its speed and accuracy, often leading to quicker refunds. Alternatively, you can mail a paper return, but be sure it is postmarked by the filing deadline. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time to avoid any penalties or interest charges. Consider setting up direct debit for convenience. Always keep copies of all your tax documents, including your filed return and supporting records, for at least 3 years. If your tax situation is complex, consider seeking assistance from a qualified tax professional to ensure accuracy and compliance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Taking these steps helps ensure you are prepared for future tax seasons and any potential audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.